Aloha from Florida. So let's talk about some ISS contradictions.
The other one is if you look at the ISS transit in front of the moon during a full moon, and then compare that size with the size of a commercial jet transiting in front of the moon. Okay, now the jet is only 7 miles away, about 35,000 feet, and they claim that the ISS is 253 miles away, but when you do your research and watch these commercial jets at altitude of about 7 miles passing in front of the moon, they're just about the same angular size as the ISS. So something's off. Massive contradiction.
Let's test this claim. So I happen to have the ISS transiting the moon that I took on my own. So here it is. Here it is slowed down to 50% because it's fast. Now I tried to get a plane going in front of the moon and couldn't, but this one was actually done by a flat earther named Zoom, and it looks cool. Now I don't know what settings he had on his camera, so we're not going to fully use that. But I was able to get this plane with my P950 with the exact same settings as I'd had with the ISS transit. Now I'm not going to bore you entirely too much or give away my exact location, but this is the plane, flying at 37,000 feet and only 130 feet long. So measuring from my location, doing a little bit of math, we get that its actual distance from me is 18.3 miles away. So even though it's up 37,000 feet, it's 18.3 miles away from me, about. Now here's comparing my two pictures. Those don't look like they're anywhere near close to the same size, considering the plane's half the size of the ISS, and the ISS looks substantially smaller. Now comparing those two lunar transits. Yeah, so again, I don't know what Aloha was talking about, but he's wrong and blatantly lying. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk on how cool it is to see things transit the moon.